How to reward your clients with credits. Offer credit notes as a powerful incentive to maintain long-term client relationships without affecting your financial reporting. In TaxDome, credit notes are a special offline payment that won't be included in revenue calculations. For example, credit notes can add value without altering your standard pricing if you want to offer a bonus for referrals or your clients' birthdays. Let me show you an example. Click on the New button at the top of the page, click on Offline Payment, and select a client. The right side of the screen will then display a new menu where you can add the details. From here, you will need to choose the credit note option from the source list, then enter an amount and a description. In this case, I've added $100 in credit notes to this client's account. You can notify the client or leave that checkbox blank. Also, as credit notes aren't assumed to be synced with QuickBooks, checking this box off is advised. So for now, we can submit issuing the credit notes. From the client portal side, your clients can see when you add credit notes to their balance in the home section of their portal and can then use them to pay their invoices. When credits are available, they can toggle on Apply Credit to use them towards the payment. They can also choose to pay the full amount or enter a partial amount applying the credit notes to decrease the invoice sum.